my name is Artem, and for today's video, we're going to continue completing our JavaScript course on FreeCodeCamp. As you might remember, we have been doing this a little bit while ago, so yeah, since then I haven't completed really much. So today I want to fix this, and I want to make this video really long, at least 1 hour, because I feel like that I need to speed up, because lately it's not something I've been doing. So for today's video I want to complete these things. I want to continue making some manipulations and events, and maybe if it will be possible, we'll start JavaScript and accessibility.
But I'm not quite sure that we will go for those. So yeah, I'm
really sorry if I'll be really stupid in this video, because yesterday I tried to make such a video for my Spanish channel and I was stupid. Yeah, my brain was lagging. Well, it was at night, so probably that's the reason. Okay, so okay guys, sit back, relax, and let's make some tasks. So okay, build a symmetric difference function compared to arrays and return a new array with any items only found in one of the two given arrays but not both. In other words, return the symmetric difference of the two arrays. Example, array 1, diamond, stick, apple, stick, emerald, red. Result, diamond, apple, emerald, bread. Wow. Okay, so we're going to go function and if array that will take array 1 and array 2. Okay, so your function should take two arguments, both of which are arrays. Your function should make use of the filter method. Your function should return the symmetric difference of the two arrays, and your function should return an empty array if there's no symmetric difference. Okay, so okay, so we need to remember how it works, the filter method. So we're going const new array, which going to be like array 1 filter, where we're going to okay, I need to read about the filter JS. Let's read it a little bit. Okay, the filter method, words, filter words.
word length.
Okay, so expected output. Okay, yeah. Callback function. This argument here where we will start. Yeah, callback function. Function takes zero for each element in the array. The current element being processed in the array. Okay, so this argument is okay. So probably we're going to do something like element and array 2 includes element, something like this maybe. Let's return new array. No, such this, and we're going console log, and we're going const array 1 is equal to diamond, stick, and apple.
We're gonna stick with examples given. Yeah, so
we can be 100% sure that it's right. And we're going diff array, and we're going to array 1 and array 2. Let's stick. Okay, yeah, it's going with okay, so how can I, okay, it returns only stick, not array, diamond, apple. arithmetic, so I can do filter element equal to like array 1 includes element diamond apple emerald bread. Okay, that's good, but as we can see,
it doesn't return an array. Maybe I can do like new array, and I'm gonna do like
this one. Okay, now, okay, it returns diamond apple emerald bread, but now I need to understand how can I transform it to arrays, right? To different strings. Okay, so wait, diamond apple, but if we're going something like this, it won't. Okay, maybe, can I do like this one and then just new array push. I just forgot that it's JavaScript, and can I do like this one? Diamond apple. Okay, but okay, I have substrings, sub arrays, but
okay, maybe I can just no how can I
do it? Just wow. My brain is not braining, I guess. Okay, but okay, but okay, but okay, but okay, but
okay, I think I have no idea. I mean, yeah, I have this one, but
it's not what I need to make. Yeah, as you can see, I need a whole one array, but I have two subarrays, and
okay, it's just
a little bit complicated, much more complicated than I thought it is. How can I do it? How can I do it? How can I do it? Can I just go like this one and just go like this one? Your is read only. Okay. No. Okay. Wait. Maybe let's go something like this one. Okay, but
I guess it's not how it works. I think it's not how it works, right?
yeah. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Wait. Maybe I can do like just maybe I can do just let array 1 filtered, and it's equal to like this one, and let array 2 filtered equal to this substring, and we're going to just go like this one, and we're going to
going to new array is equal to array filtered plus no, okay, how can I I don't know. Really, I don't know. I'm sorry. Emerald bread. If I'm going to push it, it will be the whole one. Yes, as we can see. Wait, I need to think about it. Do I have such I don't know, really. I don't know. How can my brain is always melting when I need to merge two arrays. Really, I don't know why. Do I have something like get a hint? I need to const filter index what? The test on this one only checks against those are different in the first array and therefore can be passed without returning unique values in the second array. I would recommend including the first test. You're a god so fast. Wow, wait. Const different elements. Filter. As they are. Oh, really? Yeah. Well, yeah, you can check it by index of. But wait, can I, understand, like, okay, return, our filter. Wait, I can pass, got so fast, God damn, I know. Those ones have animations when one array is greater in length than the other array for this lab. It doesn't seem to include the exclusive elements within the larger arrays. Lab filter. Oh yeah, I need to. I think, maybe, yeah, maybe I need to make a shallow copy. Yeah, something like this. Almost. Okay, but okay, here we go. Somehow it works. Oh, and it passed. I didn't even have such problems like there were. Really? Oh, I'm okay. It was cheating. Okay, that was cheating. I couldn't go, with the thought that I need to make shallow copies. I always forget about those because I don't have such things in C language. If I'm not mistaken, yeah. Okay, implement a value remover function. In this lab, you'll create a function that takes an initial array as its first argument, followed by one or more additional arguments representing the values to remove. Object to fulfill this user stories below and get. Okay, you should have a destroy function that accept an array in var one or more additional arguments. I don't remember how can I do it. And okay, I'm going to this one and well, if I'm not mistaken, like this one.
or not? Or not, or not, or not. I don't remember. I don't remember.
I need to go here and
Wait, no, 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 no. Log in. Wait, wait, no. Can I do like this one? And JavaScript. And here I had something about this. No, not this one.
I don't remember. How can I? How can I?
This one, argument object, rest parameter. No, no, it's not about it. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, maybe. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Okay, okay.
Okay, we have a function destroyer, and if I'm not mistaken, args.
You're in an update example using the rest parameter syntax instead of arguments object. This update example no longer references the argument object directly. Instead, the function definition's last parameter has 3 dots in front of it. This causes this rest parameter to be placed within an array object.
You can name the rest parameter whatever you like. Just make sure it's the last parameter in the function definition like this.
String commas are not allowed. Okay. Default values. Like if that argument object is not a real array, so it doesn't support methods like includes, pop, and push. But the rest parameter is an array instance. Okay, we're dealing with 2 arrays. Yeah. Okay, so 1 or more additional parameter. The destroy function should return a new array, excluding all elements from the first argument that match any of the subsequent.
Okay, so I think we can do it like this: return array of filter
Where element and not args includes element, isn't it? Let's see. Console log, and we're going with this one, and it returns. Oh yeah, I forgot. Destroyer and 1-1. I think we're ready. Yes, we're ready. Okay, let's go. You know, I'm really happy when something is happening in my favor. You can imagine.
Okay, implement a matching object filter. In this lab, you will create a function that filters an array of objects and returns only those objects that match
All key value pairs in a given source object. Just only those objects that match all key values in a given source object. You should have what is a name, what is in a function that accept two arguments, an array of objects, and a source object. The what is in a name function should return into an array containing only the objects from the collection that have all the key value pairs present in the source object. If no objects match all the key value pairs from the source, the function should return an empty array.
What is in the name? First Romeo, last
Montague. Mercutio. Last null. First Diebold. Last Capulet. Okay, so we are going, yeah, we have a source object.
A source object. Okay. I think that one is much more harder than
the last ones. Okay, so we are going to, we have object and we have a source object. Right. Okay, so, wow. Wow. Okay, so, first of all, I'm going to, console log, and we're going to copy paste this. Right. So yeah. Return new array containing only the objects from the collection that have all the key value pairs present in the source object. What is the name? Apple 1. Apple 1 bet. Wow. What is the name? Apple 1 bet 2, bet 2. Apple 1 bet 2, cookie 2. Apple 1 bet 2, return apple bet 1, 2. Apple bet 1, 2. Cookie 2.
Okay, so
How can we? Okay, we're going to make a new array. Yes, const new array.
I just think about, can I use something like includes?
Or should I use like loops maybe, but I don't think that I need use loops because we have filter here. So okay, let's go with object filter element, and we're going to only try, yes, source includes, but I don't think I can use includes with objects, right? Yeah, source includes is not a function. It's not a function. It's not a function. Maybe has own property undefined. Maybe. Okay.
Okay, we need to the filter
Method of an array instance. Yeah. So. Okay. Filter element.
Okay, his own property is also an array method, so we can't, or wait,
His own property. GS. Object. Okay, object. That's right. Object. Oh, wait. Sources own property element.
yeah, so that's right. That's right. So
Filter element sources own property element. So when you think about, yes, we have the dot filter.
that we're using with array of objects. right? So it does work. It does work. And has own property, returns a boolean indicating whether this object has the specified property. Object has recommended in process where it's supported. Oh, let's just
Then we're going, okay, object has own, and we go, if I'm not mistaken, we're going like with source and element like this one, but object, why, because we need to do like this one. Okay, but still it doesn't work, doesn't work.
I'm thinking about like because we're dealing with objects, it does mean that
Some basic filters are not working properly, right? Object filter, yeah, as we can see, it returns the empty array, so it does mean that it doesn't find the string. So it does work, but it doesn't find something.
okay, so maybe how can I
Object filter, object as own source element.
okay, well
Well, yeah, it works, but it doesn't return anything. For example, return table last capital. Object has own.
well I think my logic is a little bit broken because
As we know, has own return a boolean value, it whether false or true. So we're saying filter. No, wait. It must work. It should work. At least it should work, but okay. I think I'll cheat a little bit, so I'll get a hint. And let's see. JSON stringify O is inclusive right comparison. Why don't let alphabet get pushed in? Look at the far in. Stringify. Stringify, well, yeah, that's probably the solution. Object keys, result. Source key, source volume. Okay, so where I'm going, oh wait, our filter object keys. Wow, bro, what's that? Yeah, we absolutely need, we absolutely need join. But what's the dot keys?
but I'm really interested in this solution with JSON stringify but I'm not quite sure.
Because it's not JSON. Yeah, we don't have this one in the brackets. So I don't think about this, because whether it works properly.
I'm not quite sure about this. In reality, mm,
I don't think about this.
think about this. Think about this. Oof.
Wow, that's really hard and that really mind like I don't know, blowing. Okay, we need to for loops. Okay, element. Oh gosh, I don't really know. I don't really know. Here's an example of different keys as well as align strings to be one under. Wow, yeah. And here's a hint. Let me ask if it's for off or for in. Yeah, for in is not for objects, but wow, I'm just really stunned about this one.
Okay, let's stick with their solution.
For let obj of source. Right, so we need let string obj is JSON. Stringify, and here we're passing, yeah, like, oh wait, here we're going not with source, but like, yeah, object, and we're going like let string source is JSON stringify source, and we're going if string obj includes string this one, then we're going to your array push what we're going push object one. Oh yeah, we're going to push object.
But
Wait a second. Okay, I'm sorry. Well, I still don't understand what's wrong here.
we have JSON stringify and oh yeah, I know what's wrong. Okay, no, I don't know.
let's see what's wrong here. JSON stringify. Here's an example with different cases while it's aligning strings to be one and two that not might help. So I know it falls, but I don't know why. Oh. Even if you remove the curly braces from both strings, this approach will never work to pass this test. Yeah. Look for the link reference above. Where's the reference? Well, logically can compare it. Can understand that they don't match because of or lack of the curly braces. Took only like 11 days. Okay. Finally I took a oh gosh. Instruction to read. One should return your name containing only the objects from the collection that have all the key values by represent and source of this telling us the collection the first parameter containing all the objects in an array needs to be filtered so that every element of the source is contained in the collection. It confused me especially because I was stuck on chaining and I really underestimated what this higher order function could do. I ended with so much commented out code just in case I wanted to go back to it, but then it all came down to one line answer nested higher order function destructing and object methods all in one. Felt like an early capstone. This also just caught me off guard there. May sorted out once before this, but none. Oh gosh, no. Wait, bro. They're just creeping me. Those commands are just creeping me. I swear to God. They just creeping me. Okay, now we're going to return to our solution. Yeah. So let's see. Let's see. No, okay, his own won't work because, yeah. Wait, no, wait. For each I want to go back here and erase some for each method. For each method. We have an array and now we use for each, so we provide the call function as an argument. This callback function take one parameter in each element in the array. Call this function callback function for each element in the array. It's important to say that the callback function is called once for each element in the array in order to for each takes care of the looping for you. Can I just wait, I need an array, so let's go for each function. I need a function here. Object includes for each object includes
is not a function. JSON stringify object is not a function. Why? No way, bro. I don't know. How can I solve this one? Really, I just don't know. That's really is really. It's really. Okay, we're going element. We go just like this one. Okay. For each element, so we're passing this single line. Yes, and we're going to element has own. Wait, no, object has own element and source. Object is not element, right? Element is not a function. Why? Element is okay. Let's console log element, then first last. So this is an object. Why can't we okay, element includes, I don't know, it's not a function. Why? Okay, type of element, it's an object. What? It's an object element, but I can't use as own. That's so weird, isn't it? Isn't it? I think it is. It is really. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. For I just think about okay, for let I of element. Let's console log I. Non-iterable instance. A non-array object must have a simple iterator. God, bro, what is happening when we're using for each? It is an object, but I can't access it like an object. What? God, bro, I just don't know. I just don't know. Okay, so non-iterable instance. Wait, for of GS operates while you search an iterable object. Oh, it's too light. For of an array. Oh, wait. For in of an object. Oh gosh, I'm an idiot. Wow. I first, last. And how can I access its properties? So how can I access the values? Bro, it's so.
My just brain is melting. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. That's I don't know.
Okay, I'll go to ChatGPT and I'll ask whether
I'm on the right path or not. Okay, so let's pass our code and ChatGPT. We're going hello. I have a task.
we're going to copy this task and
Don't write me a code. Just explain me the logic. You're actually very close already. You're just missing the filtering logic part in the comparison with the source object. Let's walk the logic step by step. In plain terms, understanding an array and objects as source object. You need to keep only those objects from the array list contain all keys from the source and have matching values for those keys. Think of it like a checklist. For each object in the array, look at the very key in the source. Check that the object has this key. Does the value match exactly? Break it into steps mentally. Loop through the array. You need to examine each object one by one. For each object, check all the source to compare.
oh gosh. You're not just looping, you're filtering objects.
Doesn't return new, so new array becomes undefined. Your login keys, but not compared. How can then my loop for each is right? How can I access the values? Your instinct is good, but for each alone isn't the right tool for that. Where is a problem where it's doing something with each items like login, it doesn't return a new array. What do you have to correct loop through each other's? You collect loop through keys. It's not keys. Oh yeah, right. I'm an idiot. Yeah, so that's the key. Yes. And so first from layout, but here's the important shade. You want to loop over the object's keys. You want to loop over the source keys. This source defines what you're checking against. Not all object keys are the ones in source. God damn, bro, that's so crazy. That's so crazy. I don't know, man. That's not what I was expecting at all. That was not I was expecting at all, bro. It's not.
Bro, I'm just dying. I don't know. Okay, if
I don't know, like, can I access cancel log element. I can't. Bro, no way. I can't do it. I can't do it. No. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Then push to. Then. No, I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. I'll go like. Tell me what should I fix here? I just don't know really. For each's main problems will always return undefined, so it will never be your filter result. The method returns an array, not just loops. Bro, I don't know. I don't know, right? Okay, so I don't know really. Okay, so I'm going to is it okay? No, that line isn't correct, but you're getting close, but switch into filter. Wrong usage, check stuff these have empty past source object. Oh, not the case on this. You're checking the wrong direction. That's source. But you should element match the condition source. You're not checking well this. Even if it would also have a case, it would also value to match. Your condition answer does these elements satisfy all keys values pairs in source. Go through every key in source, check. If all true, keep it. If any is false, discard it. I don't understand anything. Okay, well let's go. Cause I don't know really, no. Nice, let's build exact when filter is banned, array filter element must return true, keep the element discarded. What should the condition check? The all keys in source match the element. It is something like object keys. Source. I don't know what's the keys. We hadn't had this one here. I don't know. Really, I don't know. What's that? I don't know. Object keys. Check all. You need to worry about that every key passes the task are built. Only return all checks pass inside the field for final filter element object keys every key. Bro, that's I don't know, that's unexpected really. So we're going object keys every wait, what? Object keys source every oh god damn, bro, I don't know how can I just understand this? I mean, not understand, but just come up with it. It's just unreal. It's just unreal. I don't know. Bro, I'm not
source, every key element, key source, key. Yeah, well, I understand this, but I just don't know how could I come up with this idea. And I want to read about the dot keys. I don't know what's dot keys. Okay, let's ask him. What's the dot keys? It's really important. Object keys is a built-in JavaScript method that returns an array of all the properties, names, keys of an object. Oh, okay. Console source, object keys. You get. Oh, really? But you can loop directly of an object easily as an array, so object turns the object into something you can loop over. Oh, there every runs for your check for each key. Think of source like a checklist. Object keys, source gives you what do I need to check. It pass all checks, bro. That's goddamn. That's really hard. That's really hard. I mean, that's really impressive. That. Oh gosh, that's just mind blowing. Really, I just imagine how many like line strokes, strokes I would need it if I would write this on C. That's just, I don't know. Yeah. Do you remember what did I tell you? We're going to complete all this, and yet, it passed 1 hour and we did only 3 tasks. Wow. This lab you will build a version of prime numbers. What's the prime numbers? What? Of all prime numbers, this. I just don't know what's the prime numbers. Plus the. Okay, so 10. The prime numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. No, right. So 9. Wait. 1. 2. No. 6. 11. 18. No, 2 is not. Wait. 2 is a prime number and 1 is not, right? Yeah. Okay, so. Okay. We're going function. Some primes. Num. Okay, so. We're going for. Let I equal to 2, while I is less or equal to num I plus plus. Okay, okay, we're going for let G is equal to 0, while G is less than equal than I, J plus plus. And we're going like if I percent G is not equal to 0, then sum plus I and return sum. No, it's wrong. It doesn't work this way. I know already, because this logic is not correct. Yeah. Wait, what? How can this What the heck, bro? Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, we're going to make a function. Function is prime. It will take a num, and we're going to let flag equal to 0. For let I equal to 2, while I is less or equal to num I plus plus. If I, no, if num percent I is equal to 0, then flag is equal to 1, and we need to break this one. Break. If not flag, then return true. Else return false. So I can check this one. Console log is prime and we're passing 3. Y is okay, this one true. 5 true. 7 13 12 2. Oh wait, 2 is prime number. Yes, 2 is prime number. Right. Okay, so we're going for false. Right. So okay. Okay then, we're going to if is prime I sum plus equal I 17. Yes, let's go. I think there was a much more simpler way to check this, but anyway, all right. God damn, I feel like I'm stupid. Implement a range based LCM calculator. In this lab, you will create a function that takes an array of 2 numbers and returns the least common multiple. Oh, that's should return 60. Least common multiple. Of those 2 numbers and all the numbers between them. Wait, I'm not mistaken, right? Or am I? No, I'm mistaken. How can I get what? Smallest commons. Of those 2 numbers and all the numbers between them. No, I need an explain it. Oh, what is the task asking? The rate is turnover to find the least common multiple of single numbers. What's your first thing? Not just two numbers, everything in between them. What is LMC? The smallest number that is divisible by all the numbers in the range. Okay. I still need to read this. Start with the first number, then with the next number. Take the result and find out with the next. Keep going. Okay. Okay, okay, we're going to God damn, bro. Oh, god damn, bro. Okay, we will have two functions. The first is going to find the smallest, the least common multiple. Right, so it will be function get least multiple. It will take num1 and num2. And how do we find this? Right, so 6 we have division of 3 is 2. Yeah, it's 3. And division is 2, so it's 6. Then 4 we have division of 2. Yes, so 2, and we have division of 2. It's 2. So how do we find bro? Oh, it's 6, right? It's 6. No, wait. It's 3 and 2. It's 2 and 1. Okay, I need I'm sorry. Okay, so wait, 3 on 5 on 2 on 2. So here we go. 3 on 2 on 2. Yeah, so yeah. Okay. No, it's hard. Oh gosh. That's really hard. I would say that's really hard. Each task is harder than the previous one, and it's terrifying, I would say. And that's terrifying, really. It accepts two numbers. Return the smallest common number.
say it? How can I say, like, okay, 4 and 6. Yeah, this one. That's really hard. That's really hard. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Really. I don't know really. I just have no idea.
I mean, okay, but how can I find those? Um,
Okay, yes, explain me. Explain to me. Explain to me. British Karthik. GSD. GSD greatest common divisor. 4 and 6. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 6. Common factors. 1, 2, greatest 2. 4 and 6.
okay, is the
The Euclid algorithm. Okay, let's go GSD. GSD. If num2 is equal to 0, what we're going to return? God damn, bro, I don't know. Return a num1, I don't know.
oh no, I don't know, really, I don't know, I don't know.
I just don't know. I just don't know. GSDAB, but how can I do it? 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 Return GSD num2 num1 num2. I don't know. I don't know, like this one. I don't know. Console log GSD, and we're going 4 and 6. Okay, I think it works.
I think it works, right? 10 and 5, it's 5, 10 and 3, it's 1. Okay, it works. Okay, it works, it works. Okay, it works. Okay then, function smallest comments.
It will takes array. Like remain. Okay, so let smallest equal to 0. So how did you say it's a b divided by GSD? A b.
So
Full flow. So we're going to for loop while okay, so we're going to swap if array 1 is greater than array 2 0, then we're going let temp equal to no I mean this one. 0, then array 0 is equal to array 1. Yeah, so we had, for example, we had 5 1. Yeah, 5 1. Here we have. No, wait. This one, right? 4 1. We're going this one. And then array 1 is equal to temp. Yeah.
So we swapped it. So we're going for let I equal to 0. Oh no, equal to array 0.
While I is less or equal to array 1, we're going to add. Okay, so. Okay. Okay, we have the smallest, so smallest is equal to array I multiplied by array I plus 1 and divided by GSD of array 1 and array 2. This one.
I don't know, like this one maybe, but I'm not quite sure really. So let's see, let's test it. Let's test it.
Too much recursion. Why is it so? Right, I plus. Oh, right. Yeah. No, wait. Okay, so yeah, I know why. I plus 1, and we're going to here I and I plus 1. 30.
But it must return 60. Okay, let's see what's wrong here.
By both numbers and also quantical numbers in the range between them. GSD. So for example, let's console log GSD of 1 and 2. We're going to GSD 1 and 3. We're going to GSD 3 and 4, and we're going to 4 and 5.
Okay, so we're going to 1, like this one. So it must be something like this.
Right, so let's check this, why it doesn't work. 8 I plus 1. No. 2, 6, 12, and 20. Yeah, we have 30 here. Maybe I should do like this one. No.
Okay, guys, I'll be back in 1 minute.
Okay guys, I'm back. I'm back.
Okay, so what do we have here? Again. I think maybe
GSD 364. Wait, so full flow, so LS so 1 2 is 2, 2 3 2 3 6 6 4 is 12.
okay, so we need to
Oh god, so we're going to let GSD is going to be GSD of I and I plus 1. And we're going to let GSD and I plus 1, and here we're going to oh gosh. Here we're going just GSD. No, why not?
okay, let's ask ChatGPT why it doesn't work. I'm sorry. Why it isn't working?
You've got the right building blocks. Swap in logic. It does just override both with right. Oh wait. Oh gosh, forgot to. Yeah, I forgot to swap it. Right, so LSM, BLSM stuff. You're trying to compute a simplify them, but should use. Bro, no, it doesn't work this way. It doesn't work this way, bro. Wait.
Temp is if array 1 is greater than array 0.
Temp is going to be 5. Equal to 5. Okay, so. Wait, no, I'm an idiot. If we are going just like 5 1 and yeah, like if okay, we're going to write this one. If like it were it greater, so temp is equal to 0 is equal to 1 and this one. Okay. So you should use used in place wrong formula. But like right now you do smallest plus something. What? No, I don't understand. Fix one part that your current loop overrides with assume you need to carry.
Oh god, bro, no, I have no idea how can I do it.
here, and I'm going to make it like here and here. We're going to be like we're going to make like smallest and smallest. This one, I know smallest is not defined. Wait. Oh, yeah. I know. Third is deal. I don't know. No, I don't know. Really, I don't know. Let's ask one more time. You're way close. So you computer everything from I and one. You ignore the previous result small. You're using. Okay, so we're going to make like this one, but still no, it doesn't work. Okay, give me the code. No, I don't know how to fix it. What? Okay, we're going it to be array 0 and we're going to do like this. Oh gosh, really? Oh really? Yeah, I'm stupid. Yeah, cause like for example here we wrote 1. Here 1 is equal 1 is 1. This one. Okay, it's 1. Then 2. 1, 2. 1 multiple to y. 2, 1. It's 2. Then 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 3. Then 3, 4, 12. 3, 4, 1, 12. 12, 5, 60. 12, 5, 1, 60. Alright, yeah. Okay, that's smart. That's really smart. Okay. Create a deep flattening tool. In this lab, you will be implementing an array flattening algorithm. Flattening an array means turning a nested array of any depth into a single, one-dimensional array. The process extracts all elements in order, unwrapping only arrays. Other types are left unchanged. So okay, we have functions, team role, array that will take array of n arrays, and we're going to okay, I think we can do let new array that will be array 1, array 0. Yeah. So then we're going for let I equals 0, y I is less than array length I plus plus, and then we're Let's see. I don't know. Okay, circle. Wait. What's the circular?
Circular.
Oh gosh. Gosh. No way. No. 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 Primitive flat or flat map methods.
Bro, what's that?
Okay. God damn, bro. To be honest, I have no clues about this one.
It must be like a recursive method, I think, that will extract um, is there
Okay, let's go. Like if type of array I is equal to array or console log. No, how is it called? Object. It's object.
guys, I think I have no clues about this one. Really, I don't know.
That's kinda weird. That's kinda weird. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see. Let's get a hint. I don't know. Let's get a hint. Flattened array source for each element if array is array true. Yes, it's an array. If is array length 1. True is array whose else steamroll. Oh gosh.
Oh, yeah, as I said, it's a recursive method.
I've seen the reduce method used as well. Reduce method. Reduce method. Viewpoints parameters are usually written with lowercase. Returns boolean. I need to add is array one length. You have an if and else statement returning the same code. If and else. We are asked to return any tasks or remove the console statement. What do you want your code to do? If it's an array, you can see that your code is doing anything to an array. be a good idea to have a look online and focus on methods I've learned so far. God damn, bro, it's so... Okay, so we can use reduce method, but... Missing argument one, I don't remember. Dot reduce GS. Accumulate. Accumulated will resulting from the previous call to callback function. On the first call's value, initial value. If the latter is specified, otherwise values are 0. No, it's not what I need to do. Okay, guys, I think here we gonna end this one, because really, I don't have any ideas. So I think the ongoing tasks are not going to be some sort of productive things. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you relax a little bit. So see you soon.